Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product review of the GoPro HERO13 Black, a waterproof action camera that promises to elevate your filming game. We found this fantastic product online and added the link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the GoPro HERO13 Black is all about. This compact, rugged camera is designed for adventurers, thrill seekers, and anyone who wants to capture high-quality footage while on the go. With its advanced features, the HERO13 Black is a significant upgrade in the GoPro lineup, boasting capabilities that make it a must-have for both amateurs and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the HERO13 Black is its compatibility with HB series lenses. This means that you can easily switch between different lens options, allowing for a wide range of specialty shots. Whether you're looking to capture expansive landscapes with the ultra-wide lens mod or get up close and personal with the macro lens mod, this camera has you covered. The neutral density filters are another fantastic addition, providing you with professional level control over lighting and motion blur. And if you want to achieve that cinematic look, the anamorphic lens mod will really take your footage to the next level. Plus, the camera automatically detects when a lens or filter is attached, adjusting its settings accordingly. How convenient is that? When it comes to video quality, the HERO13 Black truly shines with its best-in-class 5.3K video resolution. This feature delivers breathtaking image quality, boasting 91% more resolution than 4K and an impressive 665% more than 1080p. Whether you're filming a high-speed action scene or a serene landscape, you can be confident that every detail will be captured with stunning clarity. Additionally, the camera allows you to extract incredible 24.7MP photos from your 5.3K footage using the GoPro Quick app, making it a versatile tool for both videographers and photographers. For those who love to play with slow-motion effects, the HERO13 Black comes equipped with burst slow-mo capabilities. You can record clips slowed down to 13 times normal speed, allowing you to capture epic moments that would otherwise go unnoticed. It also offers the option to shoot short 4x slow-mo clips in its highest resolution, perfect for highlighting those intricate details that happen in the blink of an eye. Durability is another key aspect of the HERO13 Black. This camera is built to withstand the elements, being rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. Whether you're skiing down a snowy slope, biking through muddy trails, or capturing aquatic adventures, you can trust this camera to keep up with you. Plus, the water-repelling lens cover minimizes lens flare and other artifacts, ensuring your shots remain crystal clear. So, who is the GoPro HERO13 Black suitable for? If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a travel vlogger, an extreme sports lover, or even someone who just wants to document family adventures, this camera is designed with you in mind. The ease of use, combined with its advanced features, means you don't have to be a professional filmmaker to create stunning content. Practical use cases for the HERO13 Black are endless. Imagine capturing your epic mountain biking journey, a day at the beach with friends, or even simply recording a family gathering in your backyard. This camera is versatile enough to handle any scenario you throw at it, and its compact size makes it easy to take along wherever you go. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO13 Black is a powerhouse of an action camera that offers incredible features for anyone looking to capture life's adventures. From its compatibility with HB series lenses to its exceptional video quality and durability, it's designed to meet the needs of